You can do most of your hemorrhoid treatment at home without needing to see your doctor or your healthcare provider. The main aim of any treatment is to reduce the strain around the anus and lower rectum. The easiest way to do this is not to spend too much time sitting on a toilet and not to strain too much during a bowel movement. You can help this by changing your diet to include higher fiber foods. The US Department of Health and Human Services recommends that on average, adults should be eating between 22 to 34 grams of fiber per day. If you are eating less than this amount, you may be increasing the risk of constipation and diarrhea. You should also drink more water, as this will help prevent dehydration, which can lead to constipation. These simple steps should make it easier for you to make a bowel movement, as they will help us to soften your stool. You can also use a fiber supplement or stool softener if necessary to achieve the same effect. You can also help relieve any discomfort you may be experiencing by taking warm baths or sitz baths several times a day. A sitz bath is a small tub that can fit over your toilet, allowing you to sit for about 50 minutes in approximately 3 inches of warm water without actually taking a full bath. The treatment helps reduce swelling and may help relax the tightened sphincter muscle. Most symptoms of hemorrhoids will pass after a week. In the case of prolapsed hemorrhoids, they will usually go back inside on their own. And if they don't, they can often be gently pushed back in place.